Experiencing that much trauma in your life really makes you think about how you want your future to be. I had to make some serious changes in my life to be able to move on. My name is Lotta. I'm 57 years old and I live in Charlottenlund. Back when I was 27, I was working as a project manager in an international conference company. One day I was sitting at my desk. My boss came in and asked me for a meeting. In this meeting, she told me that she was moving on within the company and that the European Board of Directors had pointed at me as her replacement. Bear in mind, I was only 27. It was my second or maybe even my first proper job after business school, and I just loved it. Well, then, out of the blue, with no warning at all, my father passed away. And at that point, I just didn't know how to move on with my life. Didn't know how to cope with my challenging job, being a good single mom to Carl, and dealing with my own grief process all at the same time. Since I became a mother, I hadn't had much time to practice Pilates, and I used to love it. And now feeling how it made me stronger in my body and in my mind, I started thinking that maybe this could actually become a new career for me. Pilates is not only my job, it's my passion, it's my safe space, it's where I feel the most alive and at ease. Pivoting your career can feel extremely scary, like you're jumping off from a rooftop, but if you follow your instinct, listen to your heart, it will take you where you're supposed to be.